Matahari Pinball back here. I think we picked this up in late February. We are just now making some serious progress on this thing. Talk about a damn mess. Guys, I can't even begin to express how redundant it's been to go through all the different checks on these boards to figure out what was wrong with this thing. We picked this up a while back with our buddy James, and then it sat and it sat and it sat until the summer when I've been able to get around to it. Then we got into the whole task of checking voltages on the rectifier board, voltages on the driver board, and then voltages on the MPU. And you can see here my notes on all voltages on all three boards, and we checked. And we checked, and we rechecked, and then checked again. Long story short, the voltages were all okay, even though we assumed a number of times that they were not. The problem ended up going back to a broken trace that was on the MPU. Yes, it was indeed a problem down here as a result of battery corrosion.
This is the Matahari MPU.
Yep.
This is corrosion.
Yep.
All down here.
Yep.
So it's actually supposed to be oriented like this.
There you go.
This is the 5101 RAM. So that works along with this 6800 processor. And then these are the PIAs. It was getting 3 flashes.
That's exactly what
the fourth flash means that this PIA is not working. I replaced all the chips just to make sure it wasn't any of the chips.
Are they all socketed?
They're all socketed.
Yeah.
And then when it kept doing the exact same thing, then I started looking down here at all of these little traces.
You can see all the
And
damage.
This guy right here, this one right here, where I'm pointing.
BT3.
Yeah, that's right there.
Boy, that's ugly.
And right over here, those actually connect. That point to that point.
So you're checking continuity between those two?
Runs from the 5101 to the PIA, the 6821. And I found out that the BT stands for battery. The battery corrosion had just chewed up those little through holes that goes to the back of the board.
So you had to run a jumper.
So I ran a jumper across from where those two are supposed to connect, from PIA 22 to 5101. Let's see, that is here
trace that connects two ICs.
Yep.
That was not
right.
That was burned up. I want to thank James for being patient with me while I've been dealing with Matahari. He's been constant questions, constant speed bumps. I want to thank him for taking care of me when I didn't have no pimp.
I want to thank you for taking care of us girls while we was down and out and didn't have no pimp.
Remarkable. Bam.